Jake has been making over $350 a day in the past week by copying and pasting emails and using AI in a way that I haven't heard anybody talk about before. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what he's been doing. You can do something similar by offering small businesses something they desperately need but don't have time to fix. And no, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about solving real problems with simple tools. Let me explain. Have you ever called a business and been put on hold only to hear dead silence or some scratchy, outdated music? It's awkward, right? It also makes the business seem less professional. This is where you step in. You'll be creating customized hold messages and jingles for small businesses, a service that's easy for you to offer but delivers huge value to them. Let's break this down step by step. First, why is this such a good service to offer? Think about it from the business owner's perspective. They're busy running their day-to-day operations. They might not even realize how much they're losing from something as simple as bad hold music. Most people will hang up if they hear silence or boring hold music while waiting. That's potential revenue walking out the door. On the flip side, a good hold message can make customers stay on the line longer, improve their impression of the business, and even upsell services. And here's the thing. Most small businesses don't know how to fix this on their own. That's where you come in. Step 1. Find businesses to contact. Your first job is to find small businesses that might need this service. Don't overthink this. Pretty much every business that takes calls can benefit from professional hold messages. Restaurants, dentists, plumbers, salons, you name it. Here's the easiest way to find them. Open Google and type this in. Replace business type with whatever type of business you want to target. For example, if you're looking for plumbers, you'd type this in. This will pull up a list of businesses on Yellow Pages that already have email addresses listed. Go into each one, give them a call at out-of-office hours to see if they already have a jingle and hold message, and then copy their information into a Google or Excel spreadsheet. You can also do this for any local businesses in your area. Put down their name, company name, email address, and any notes that you think will be helpful to know about them. This will set you up so that you have a whole bunch of businesses to contact. I'll explain exactly what email to copy and paste to turn these businesses into customers at the end of the video. For now, let's talk about the actual services you'll be offering. Step 2. Create the hold message. Don't worry, you don't need any special skills for this. We're going to use free tools to handle everything. Start with the music. We'll be using Aiva for this. Head to the website and sign up for a free account. AI V8 lets you generate custom music tracks in seconds. Choose a style that works for your client. Soul, R&B, and jazzy is a great default option because it's versatile and sounds polished. Title your project something like Hold Music for Business Name and click Create. Aiva will generate a track for you instantly. If you want something simpler, check the box that says Instrumental Only. Download the finished track. Now, you need a little script. You can write this yourself super easily. Here's something you could say. This might look a little different depending on what your client wants, but this is a good starting point. Next, you need a voiceover. For this, I recommend 11 Labs because they have some of the most realistic AI voices out there right now. Again, head to the website and sign up for a free account. Click on Text-to-Speech. Then, copy and paste the message that we wrote earlier into this box. Pick a voice that sounds professional and friendly. It should match the business. For example, for a fun bakery, go for a warm, cheerful tone. For a law office, stick with something formal. Click Generate Speech and download the MP3 file. Now combine the music and voiceover. Download and open CapCut, which is a super easy and free editing app. Start a new project and import the music and voiceover files. Drag them onto the timeline and adjust the music volume so it doesn't overpower the voice. Trim any awkward pauses, make sure everything sounds smooth, and export the finished file as an MP3. You now have a professional hold message ready to deliver. Step 3. Write cold emails that get responses. The next step is contacting businesses. This is where a lot of people get stuck, but it's actually simple if you follow this formula. Your email needs 3 things: an attention-grabbing subject line, a clear explanation of what you're offering, and a call to action that's easy to say yes to. For the subject line, avoid anything too generic. Be specific about the value you're offering. I'll type this out now to give you an idea. Start your email with a friendly, personalized opening, like this. In the next paragraph, explain the problem you're solving and why it matters. Be direct but professional. Then introduce your solution. Then end with a clear call to action and sign off professionally with something like, "I look forward to hearing from you," and your name. This email is a great template to start with. Feel free to use this or customize it as much as you'd like. The point is to have a template that you can copy, paste, and send to all those contacts you put together in the first step. Again, make sure that you actually call these businesses to see if they already have a jingle and hold message before offering the service. If you don't get a response, follow up with the businesses by saying something like, "Hi, name, just checking if you've received my last email," and then sign off. If you do get a response, you can schedule a call with the client or get started right away depending on what they say. Step 4. Use Fiverr to get clients. As well as cold emailing, you can use Fiverr to attract clients passively. Fiverr is a freelancing platform where businesses look for services like the ones you're offering. Setting up a gig is simple. Start by creating a Fiverr account. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Gig. Your gig title should be clear and specific, like, "I will create a custom hold, message and jingle for your business." Choose a category like music and audio and a subcategory like voiceover. Under the pricing section, create 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium. For example, the basic package could include a 30-second hold message with pre-made music. The standard package might include a longer message with custom music. The premium package could add multiple voiceover options and script revisions. Now, write a gig description that highlights the benefits of your service. Focus on how this will improve the client's business. You could say something like this: upload samples of your work. You can create hold messages and jingles for an imaginary business to show what you can do. Fiverr lets you add videos, so you can even upload a video introduction explaining your service. Make sure to optimize your gig by using keywords like custom hold message, business voicemail, and professional voiceover. This will make it easier for businesses to find you. Now you have 2 proven ways to get clients: cold emailing and Fiverr. If you follow these steps, you'll be on your way to building a business that can scale. The tools are free, the demand is real, and you're solving a problem that businesses are happy to pay for. Have you ever thought about selling this service before? Are you planning to start? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful or interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.